Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a really special opportunity for you today. If this quilt looks similar, you're absolutely right, and thank you for watching our videos because this is where you learn about new opportunities like this quilt called Charming Lambs, designed by Coach House Designs. And we recently introduced this in a Moda flannel collection, and it flew out the door and I couldn't get more fabric. So I said, what can we do here? Is there another flannel collection out there that we could use? And well, we found it. We all know Maywood Studio makes some of the most wonderful, soft, thick flannel that's just, oh, it's just perfect for fall and winter. And this is for Woolies Flannel. So just like before, that was a flannel quilt. We have another iteration of this. So super cute, right? Exclusively available from Shabby Fabrics, made with the Woolies Flannel. And just like before, you're getting layer cake in your project, 2 charm packs, you're getting your background fabric, and of course fabric for your inner border in your binding. Now these fabrics are still coming inbound to us right now. We had to put in a pretty big order to get all the fabrics here, to get everything cut. We got just enough fabric to make our sample so you could see how adorable this is. So what I'm presenting for you today is called a reserve. And those are my favorite, where I make a $10 deposit, a $5 deposit toward my backing. I don't have to think about it again. Then it's on autopilot. And then it's on us to just pick up the fabric when it arrives, get everything perfectly cut, folded, assemble your kit, bill you for the difference, and head that your way. So this is the opportunity for today. So if you missed out on Charming Lambs the last time, not this time, for sure you'll want to head to the website to make that deposit toward your kit as well as your backing. We always like to show you what notions we used, especially on a quilt that's pieced like this, and this is what we use right here. It's actually not a lot of extra things. Of course, a nice suite of rulers, of course, as well as the normal things you would expect with patchwork. The fresh blade in our rotary cutter, patchwork pins, good thread. We use the gray in the Carrera thread set from Aurifil, and the seam guide is my favorite to help me stay true to that 1/4 inch so that all the blocks and all the little parts come together just perfectly. So if you missed out before, without delay, head to the website. This kit is once again available, and we think the kits are probably going to fly out the door once again. So again, head to the website to pick up your kit, your backing, any notions you might need, and subscribe. That's how you're going to be the first to know about projects like this and so much more.